Hey, crafty family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's shopping Sunday, and we are headed to my favorite store, the Dollar Tree, and lots of new fun items have arrived that I cannot wait to share. So no need to keep you waiting. Let's dive in. So the first thing I spotted that was brand new are these little containers. This is another item from the Oasis home decor line. A lot of these name brand items are showing up. This is great to use in your vanity or just generalized home organization in different areas. With the little gold trim, I think these look so high-end for $1.25. They also have the glass knobs. They just came back. Full trays of them are showing up. Be on the lookout for those as well. Check out these little ceramic containers. I think that these are so really cute. So they did have a dark blue and a white, and they have like astrological symbols on them, but these can completely be customized with paint, your Cricut machine to put lettering on them. I just think they're a great base item to use for customization, especially if you want to give them as gifts. Now here is another item that just returned. These never last at my Dollar Tree stores. They have these glass pillar candle holders with swirl dots. You can get straight lines or plain, 4 different styles, just $1.25. This is really nice too. So these are candle making kits, you guys. So everything you need in this box for a do-it-yourself candle making kit. How cute would this be to throw into a gift box for that DIYer in your life? I think they would really appreciate this. This is so much fun. And at $1.25, it's a great deal. Check out these colonial candles. They are back, and I found the sweet pea scent. I have found other scents, but this one I have never seen before at the Dollar Tree. Keep your eyes out for this brand. It does sell for much more in retail stores, so it's definitely a deal at $1.25. These little jarred candles are really cute with the wood-like lid. Now these look like they're from the fall, but they just hit my shelves at the Dollar Tree. They have the pumpkin ginger ale, harvest apple, toasted hazelnut latte, and crimson cranberry. I love these just for the little container. They are so adorable. Look at these little items in the great gifts boxes. So this is a letter board, you guys. This is so really cute. It does come with the letters included, and this one is in a cute little star shape, perfect for the kids' rooms. They also have a shape of a little heart in pink and blue. This one also does come with the letters, and for $1.25, these are great little gifts to add to the gift basket. These little acrylic turntables are back at the Dollar Tree, and I could not express my excitement for this because I was so sad when they sold out. But for $1.25, these are great for spice organization, craft room, vanity, storage, under the sink, anything you can imagine. Now check this out. Have you guys seen the Stanley Cup dupes that are $1.25 at the Dollar Tree? Yes, the Dollar Tree came out with their own version. Now, of course, these do not compare to the quality of Stanley. These are plastic, but if you need just something to go or just something you want to send the kiddos off to school with no worries of like losing it because it's only $1.25, check these out. They do have 4 colors in red, blue, green, and a bright pink, but a great deal for $1.25 for these dupe tumblers. They also have these little coffee cups too in Christmas themes. Look at the top. It has that slide lid on the top so you don't let your beverages leak out. You can keep things hot or keep things cold. I think this is really neat, especially with all the pretty Christmas decor on them. This was a score for me today. So I saw it hanging on the hang strip. It was $3.97 wherever it was before, but it's only $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. Now this may seem it's just a lint roller, but my eyeballs zoomed into this bamboo handle that says DIY all day to me. So I did pick up a few of these. Now, speaking of DIY, I headed over into the craft section. They have new fabric. So of course I was all giddy going through these prints, plaids, and these beautiful paisleys that are flowers. They also have some with little butterflies on them if you are a butterfly fan. They have some other ones with the little teeny flowers on green. I think these are so pretty, especially with us leaving winter and maybe going into spring soon. They also have this ombre color. I love these little clips of fabric, perfect for all kinds of little small DIY projects, especially pillow covers and things. Check those out. Another item in the craft section are these iron-on patches. Look at this one that says a baby with little like pearls on it, really cute. They also have this one that says fierce. I would love this to iron on to a hat. That would be awesome. And sassy, who doesn't have that sassy little one or that sassy friend? That one's really cute. They have one that says love too, and all of those pretty gemstones, really cute. And then the last one is for your bestie. You can't leave your bestie out for the holidays. And for an iron-on glam patch, these are $125 a piece. I had to swing over by the florals because something caught my eye, and that were these rose gold Christmas branches. They look like pine, and they have the rose gold leaves. Now they are just lightly sprinkled with glitter, but Dollar Tree did not overdo it. So if you want gold, they had the regular gold and like a champagne gold bamboo stem, along with silver pine stems and champagne gold leafy stems. I think these just look so nice and will look great in a glam setup. I also peeked over and saw some of the faux pampas grass stems that were back in like silver and champagne and neutral colors. I think that these are so great when you put them in vases and organization. So they stuck out. I had to feature them because these are hard to find as well. Now, we all know that the Dollar Tree has a ton of different socks in cartoons, Disney, different foodie socks, different movie socks. I'm always so overwhelmed with the selection, and I tell you, I was collecting them for a while, but it just became so overwhelming. I just had to stop because it was getting crazy out of control. But let me tell you, these are awesome for Christmas gifts and stocking stuffers. Now, even though we've seen a lot of these, I had to point out these new ones by the Artist series. Being that art is in my heart, I had to get these from the famous artists. These socks are so awesome. I grabbed one of each just for my personal collection. I love these. Be on the lookout for those at your Dollar Tree. And if you are into musicians, Elvis Presley socks have come out with new designs. They have the Elvis on pink, and then they have this one here. Now, if you notice and look at these socks, they're now starting to put the tearaway tags on them. I think that is great for gift giving. That way the price is not on the socks. And check out all these other artists. They have Ozzy Osbourne socks. I've never seen those. They also have Bowie socks. So be on the lookout for all of these different varieties. Look, they also have some Pink Floyd socks hiding in the corner as well, as long as some more Iron Maiden socks. Now, I just wanted to take a quick moment to thank all of you for supporting my channel and all of the patience you've shown me while I heal and recover over here, because I really want to get back to crafts with you guys. It means so much. But I wanted to let you know you also can follow me on all of these platforms to check out my craft videos and more content. So let's get back to shopping. In the health and beauty aisle, you can get the 3-pack of Sassy and Chic or the 6-pack of Viva Spa, which is such an amazing deal of these eyebrow shapers. Such an amazing deal for $125. And we all know that the Brazilian Mist brand is coming out with a bunch of different items, and this is the post shave cream that's available. And they also have more Freeman products. You guys, I saw so many Freeman products this week, I could barely keep up. But I do love using the peel off masks, and I did want to feature this. And if you're not really into peel off masks, they have the mud mask as well. So that's another item that they had at the Dollar Tree that I had never seen before. And I'm sure that there's more scents out there that I have not yet seen. Now check out this item. This is a Freeman salt foot scrubber. I've never seen this before. Now, first of all, it is very heavy. So you know that it's a quality, solid made product, but this is a great item to add to a gift basket for someone who loves health and beauty items. This was a new item too. This is a Curl Rhythm Hydrating Cleansing Conditioner and a co-wash. You guys, when I saw this, I was so excited because I am a curly girl. I always love to do co-washes, and this is worth so much more in other places retail. So this was definitely a score at Dollar Tree. Now I saw a box of these, but I had to pull a few out to put a lid on it, since they're just like the Poopery dupes. They come in a different package now. These look like the packages from those popular hand sanitizers. So I love that the package has changed up on these and they're more convenient to stash away. Check out this. This is some Dr. Bubello's large bubble bath bottles. I've never seen these at the Dollar Tree before. So the pink one is bubble gum, and then they have the green one, which is sour apple. So these have really great reviews online, so check those out. Now in the food section, the holiday items are coming out, starting with the holiday nog. They have the single serve containers of the holiday nog in the food section by the Modern Pantry brand. They also have these little breads that come out. I think it's the panettone. This one I saw in the plain vanilla, which is the one I do prefer, but they do have some with chunks of fruit in them. But this one is out. I wanted to let you know these are starting to show up on the shelf. Another beverage item that I saw was this True Energy. Now this one is like an orange mango flavor. And then they have this one in a cherry berry flavor. And you see that they're only 10 calories a piece. So if you love energy drinks, check this out. Now we all love the wax paper at the Dollar Tree, at least I know I do. 65 square feet for $1.25, but check out this 50 square feet package, but it has a plaid design. So if you want to take your wax paper up into a new level, check out the plaid waxed paper. Now this was a random find on an end cap. It's a family night coaster game, and it does have 8 games inside it according to the label. I just thought this was so neat, especially if you're having family over for the holidays and you guys just want to engage in a lot of fun games. I did see 2 different packages, one in a blue and then one in a green package. These are all just $1.25. So if you're looking for some cheap fun with the family, try this out. Now to package everything you find today, you can package them in these metal tin containers that have the bow already tied on them. You can get them in this small rectangle box, or this one's a little thicker. This rectangular box is nice as well. Now, if you're not into the long shaped metal boxes, they did have a deeper container here, perfect for baked treats and goods. They also have the round ones, so you can choose from different sizes that they have available. So now I'm going to walk over to the plus section. There's a few things that I wanted to feature today. First of all, these Charleston house slippers, very high quality, very plush. They're in the plus section for $5. Now they do have sizes very small all the way to extra large, and look at the retail price, $32 for these slippers. So if you're looking for a nice high-end brand of slipper, check these out for $5. They also have these table lights. Now these do give off a nice glow. They are battery operated, so you could put them in a table. I like to bunch them with a centerpiece or a center table wreath, and it just gives that nice glow to everything. But this can be placed on a side table at night or anything where you need some nice soft light, and this is $3. Now, I thought this was a really neat item. So this is a lantern fan combo, you guys. I thought this was so neat. This will be great for just emergencies or camping, or just something that you would definitely need. I love that it's really bright. It's got 100 lumens and a fan built in. I love this item for just $5. Check out this tic-tac-toe game. I featured a lot of them this week, but what I noticed about this one, it was pretty heavy. Then I noticed that it said it was a game board and wooden game pieces. This is all wood. This is perfect to actually for play or for table display. It looks that nice. Now check this out. This is a squishy cheese block. I usually don't feature things like this, but this was so soft and squishy. And as I looked at the packages, I noticed that it stretches tremendously. Perfect for anyone who needs hand therapy, that wants to use their hands. This is perfect for someone who has arthritis and just needs to use their hands. So check that out for $5. Now, if you missed my shopping video last week featuring even more fun finds at the Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video. video or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today. And if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now, before I go, I just wanted to say thank you for sticking around to the end. Now, over the past few weeks, I've spotted the Oasis vanity storage items at the Dollar Tree, and I did pick up a few extra for a giveaway. Now, I will be giving away a set of 4 items to not 1, but 2 lucky winners. Now, it's really easy to enter this giveaway. First, leave a comment below answering this question. What were your top 3 favorite items from this video? Now, this contest closes on Tuesday, December 10th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so be sure to comment before this time. Now, most importantly, make sure you are subscribed and have your notifications turned on so you won't miss the notification if your comment is selected as the winner. Now, be sure to check back on Wednesday, December 11th to see if you are selected by checking my top pinned comment in the comment section, and I will also respond directly to your comment if you are the winner. Now, to confirm you understand this, leave a snowman emoji or the word snowman in the comment along with the answer to today's question to be entered into the drawing. Now, it's important to know that this contest is not sponsored by YouTube, and we are solely responsible for conducting the contest and delivering the prize to the winner. So please be sure to read the full list of rules in the description box below to make sure you meet all of the requirements for a valid entry into the contest. I wish each and every one of you good luck. Now listen, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know your most exciting find at Dollar Tree this week. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It doesn't cost a thing. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.